Hey, Dad. Tell me what you want. I was worried. I'm going to go about it. It's our BB Dorsey. Tell you the Hiccups. The Hiccups. Why? I didn't know this cover we ever on, but we no hater. Tell us I do that. I can't help it, Dad. We're going to do it. I don't want you. Okay, me Hiccups. Just wait for a real time. What? Hold about? Yeah. Why? Yeah, just hold you back. It can't take breathe more. Just keep your breath. Oh, yeah, can you be your Jeffy, breathe. You can be Jeffy. Oh no. He was safe. And because he forced his dad to force his husband. Wait. Ding 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 ding. Have it. Jeffy, breathe. You are Jeffy. Thanks, Dad. Your Hiccups are gone, Jeffy. No. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call the doctor because I can't stand those because it's annoying. Oh, hey, sorry, call doctor. Yes, Daddy, my son has Hiccups. I don't want to go. What will you do? You can't tell him Hiccups. I can do it too. Surgery now. Not how to try my Hiccups. You're done. Well, my son has Hiccups. I want to go. What do you do? I don't know about that Hiccups specialist. This is Hiccups specialist. Yeah, huh? Okay, I can get one. Call him. Oh, hey, I'm a Hiccups specialist. Oh, okay, great. I want to Hiccups. What do you do? Okay, I'm gonna have to take care of Jeffy's Hiccups and see how about it. Okay, Jeffy, is it yes, man, paper me. Yeah, it's been kept me. Yeah, it's a bad case of Hiccups. Okay, so what can make it go? Well, we can make it go. It's actually both. That it will. Well, that it will all do now. It's both. Oh, man, this kid's gonna know still. Okay, wait, both. Let's get to this. That's not working. Okay, let's go. Both. Oh, man, this thing's getting up still. Okay, let's get this house. And boom! Oh, it's not working. And boom! Come on. Yes, it's nothing. Come on, Jeffy. Okay, stage 2 is a blue fit. Jeffy, take this blue and hold it. Wait, blue. You want the blue, Jeffy? Yeah, I want the blue. Oh, man, that was good work. Okay, stage 2 for you this time. You want the blue, Jeffy? Yeah, I want the blue. Wait. Okay, I see stage 3. Come on, Jeffy. Oh, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home for voices. Let's get to the case every time. Wait, what?
Sherry, where's my dinner? Sherry, I feel with the Sherry. What is this? Soggy cookie with material, Sherry? That's not OT. Where's my kids? Yeah, don't let me get the mask. Boo.
Did that work? Okay, I stage 4. Stage 2 is the apple on the head stage. With apple on the head stage. Yeah, it's that we put apple on Jerry's head and we try. What a crossbow? What a crossbow? Is it not dangerous? Yes, dangerous while scared. What happens if he misses? Well, if I miss it, goes to Jerry's head and he dies immediately. But if it's an apple, it would be also. Okay, let me ball explode. Oh, man, I don't get the excuse. Alright, let's do this. Okay. Alright, let's shoot this apple. Okay, Jeffy, are you ready? Yeah. Alright. Okay, he's ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Jeffy, you okay? Yeah. Well, he said Hiccups. Be my stay with Hiccups, but I got a shot. Bullseye. What would you with Hiccups? Yeah, and you want more bad news? I was playing hold you up. What? Oh, okay. I just 5. Oh my. Oh, so stand right, we got Bob here. What, Bob? Yeah, Bob. Jimmy has to be back on wireless watch. Hey, guys, blowing and spots to be done. What's wrong to cut? The Bob what? Dog bite. That was scary. God gave us Hiccups. Okay, Jimmy, you choose a wire. But then I don't know which one to choose. To choose wire, Jimmy. Just made that one. Ding. That one? That's scary? Oh, man. What about Guam? Well, it's not really a Bob. It's an Apple Watch and instead of Bob's an Apple Pick. Oh, yeah. It was, I did what? Alright, so instead of saying push Jeffy out to play with does. But what if he actually dies? Oh, the way is never done. Not as long as he hits the Twister, man. Twister, man. Yeah, you know Twister? What the bucket? Yeah. Yeah, as long as he is right the hell it goes. What? Oh, I should go. Jeffy, you okay? Well, he wear the red hat, so that's why I'm able to bust his Hiccups go. What do we do now? Alright, it's time for stage 7. The very most skilled thing that I can think of. What's that? Ding 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 ding. Alright, everybody, practice stop that. Make sure it's open. I'll show you. Sorry, it's a me too. Okay, wait, let's get my. Oh, wait, what's that? What? I forgot. Well, I'm not sure what to hold. Oh no! I'm prepared this way. We only opened our tree with. What am I going to do? Do you have your wallet? No, I have a wallet. What? Oh no! Well, what scale situation? How we pay? What we do? I'm busy. Okay. Well, stage 7 they went, and that was the skill set I know, so I know what to do now. Yeah, we tried 7 stages, so what we do now? Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jimmy has to kill my Hiccups. Wait, it killed my Hiccups? Yeah, this is my boat. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this one time, but I had to say, but I think Jimmy's gonna have Hiccups for the rest of his life. No, I don't want Hiccups for the rest of my life. Get out of here. Call Jimmy's just a fly. I know that was very skilled and trying to eat my face. Jimmy, I didn't take us go. Wait, Jimmy, do you have Hiccups? Not sure. Finally, we got waiting. Oh no, Peter. Oh, I did that boat.